Okay, hi guys, my name is Phoenix, and I have a little bit of cold today, but if y'all have a cold, y'all don't have a cold, you can still do yoga. Yoga's great. And if you don't have a cold, you can still do it. And my name is Phoenix, and this is your favorite teacher in the whole wide states. But the whole wide world, I don't know, but usually I'm in the Guinness World Record. Whoop, whoop. So we're going to be starting off with Savasana. Sounds really good for you. And I have a code. So the yoga is going to help me because I have an interview to do. Lay down. Exhale. Breathe. Release. Yay, guys. We may do the dancing moves, but if my mom's phone and the phones are too loud, then we can't do it. Don't get frustrated at me, it's not my fault. It's not my mom's. So let's go. Did I pass one? No. Okay. Mom. Elbows. Oh, we can do something. Good. You can do something. Okay. It's what's the button? See the stretch. See the stretch, okay. Put your legs out and put your knee by your leg. And this breathe. It's so much fun to breathe. Close eyes. You can touch your tippy toes if you're bending. You can use a block and put it on your leg and touch your toes. But if you want to use it with a block, you can. I'm just telling you can use it. So I'm doing it right now for you to see if y'all can do it. Breathe. Exhale. Breathe. Release. Other side. And if this side is not supported, you can put the block on this side too. And you can do it. But I'm not going to do it this side, so block I really need first. And if you need a little bit slight bend, you can use it. But if you flex, then you can your leg can be out. Inhale. Breathe. Release, guys. Release. So we are done with this pose. She says she got these from Target. Amazon, I forgot. So I guess it is the key. It's really I love these yoga poses. Did I miss one? Is it this one there?
Forward trying.
Sorry guys, it's taking me a little bit long. Okay, being forward triangle. Open two of your legs, or you can grab two of your blocks. Put them on this side. I know it sounds weird, but you have to do it with your legs. You can do a slight bend, or you'll have to do a slight bend. I know it's weird, but you can sit your bottom on your mat and then put your hands out the far you can reach them. But
or you can use the blocks to put your hands on.
Or you can put your hands on the blocks and just straighten them. And two, three. Oh, and wide your legs out. Put your hands on your mount, your blocks, your mat, and your blocks. Excellent. Release. I already found the pose I was doing it. Okay, guys, we butterfly. I'm a butterfly. I'm a butterfly. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, butterfly. So, usually, I don't know if you have no balance, like what you could do if you just have blocks or something, but we may can put the blocks to the side if you need it. Or you can do it like this, I guess. Nah, can do it like that because it's really hard. So, I guess you try your best. That's what you can do. And it's okay if you cough on here. You have a cold, you can cough, sneeze. Exhale, breathe. Release. You saw what I'm doing. Alright, this part's mine.
Finish the butterfly with your head to your feet. So we can go to the next one.
Okay. Because we look like we did it, but we did do it, so we can pass this one. Pass. Slug.
That's slug, but we call that child's pose.
Slug? Okay. Stop this. This is slug, but this is actually child pose. Child pose is a good thing to stretch your arms and your body, so it's really good. Okay. Hey, Mom, next time can you put my name on here because it says me. Okay, let's do this slug, but we call it child's pose. So let's do this. What?
Those are next.
Okay, these are next, guys. I'm sorry. So you can do it this side or this side. Which one first?
This one, well, this other side.
We can do this side first. Okay, bend your knees. Go like in cow pose first. Then put your hands out first. And now you can do a slightly bend. And then exhale, breathe. Are we done? Exhale. Release. Release. I'm sorry, guys. Are we done already? I think so. No, I'm trying to go. Are we done with the sitting poses? Okay. Okay. I guess we are guys. Pillows on the side. To the side. So, oh, we forgot. Oh, the done pose. Dang. Okay, we can just say it. Say it then. So, yeah. Cat.
I guess.
So, cat is a really good pose because I think it is, and my mom thinks it is too. So, we usually do this for Felicia or teacher too, but usually we teach ourselves too. And I was born doing it too. Bend your knees. Put your hands on your mat, your blocks, your mat. And just put your head down. Exhale, breathe. Release. Okay, guys. Cow.
We can do those together so you can put that to the side.
Chips. Okay. So, well, this is new.
They call it giraffe, but we're just doing side stretches.
Put your arm over your head. All over your head as hard as you can reach. Like you're reaching an ice cream. Other side. Going to distract you with a burger. This is a burger, like reaching it. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. We got the burger. Let's get the ice cream. Get it, get it, get it. Got it. Nibble it. Other side one more time. Exhale, breathe. We can do belly breathing at the end after we namaste. No, maybe after we do that dancing. Whereas, okay, we're gonna do this one at the end. In. The end, guys. This one as the last of these two. So,
Legs up the wall.
legs up the wall. You don't know. You don't have to do it with the wall. You can. Mom, wait. Your legs are supposed to be up.
I know. Tell me what to do.
Oh yeah. Okay, so lay down. You always have to lay down first, because you can't just do back first. So lay down. If you need to support your back, you can with pillows, I guess. And or that's it. Or just try your best. Lay down and put your legs up. One at a time if you want. And you can hold your bottom if you need to. Reach a little bit back or all the way back. My legs went almost went all the way back. But it's okay. It's just yoga. Exhale, breathe. Release. Get up. Good job, guys. I think this. Yep. That is so much good, guys. So good. Happy baby. I think this is a really good one because you're all happy and you're all kind and you're supporting me too. So you're in happy baby right now, but you're laying down in Savasana. Staying in Savasana. Put your legs up and then hold your feet. You can hold your thumbs first. Hold your thumbs or your thumbs or your pinkies. Cause I'm gonna hold my thumbs though. So exhale, breathe. Release. Put your your foot on your mat and get up from that pose. Good stretch, guys. Good stretch. Okay, we got two. Y'all so excellent. So great.
Reclined butterfly.
Reclined butterfly. But did we say something else about it? You put it later. Okay, so go in butterfly, then lay down. Or if you can't do that, then you can lay down and do it and then get in this pose. So, but I won't do it for you. And put your hands on your tummy, then your heart. And exhale, breathe. Release. Get up from that pose. You want to still stay in it?
I'm good. I'm ready for the next one.
Okay, guys. Clap almonds for yourself. This almonds, guys. Okay. Prayer pose. Yeah, at the end. Put your hand to your heart. Namaste. Mom, you have music to play that DJ.
I do.
Okay, guys, get ready to dance. And what I always say, listen to the instructions. And yes, on 5. Boom. You ready, Mom? And guys, listen to when he say freeze, you freeze to the return. Yeah. Way. Boom. Yes.
Thank you guys for being here with me. And yeah, so fun to do yoga with. So please do your job feel better too. Bye.